So, friends, what happened when I came for the Thursday meeting on 25th April? As you all know, that I started from my home at around 5 o'clock, 5:30, and reached the venue, and then I attended the meeting, and it was really nice. Then I didn't come back to my home, and I thought, okay, let me complete all my one-to-ones, and then I took appointments from some of my friends and one of my mentor as well. So, friends, you will not believe that I completed four one-to-ones in a day, and it was really very exciting to meet those people, and uh, all of them were there in the business bay. I was so happy to meet them, to interact with them, to know about their business. So my first one-to-one was with Mr. Fazli Alam Khan, who is from chapter Genesis, and whose business is in flooring, and his company is MTR Squared Tiles and Flooring Materials Trading LLC. And it was nice to know that Mr. Fazle serves to big clients here, and he provides the latest flooring in the corporate offices and schools, hospitals, and his business is quite. He's doing quite well in his business. Then my next one-to-one was with the most creative person, and he is none other than Mr. Sanal Chandran. We all know him, and you can see the painting made by his own hand. He has painted this by his own hand, and it was really nice to know Mr. Sanal's story, that how creative he is and how he has started working for Codelitis Advertising Agency. And really, after knowing his work, I really realized that he has also gone through lots of challenges, but he has overcome all the challenges, and he is still trying his level best to be the unique, to be more innovative, and to be more creative. And secondly, when I found out that the services he provides on a very affordable rates, like social media handling, just for 3,000 dirham per month, and all other services, it was really nice to know about him. Then I met from BNI Genesis Mr. Masoodul Rashid, and who again works for the advertising company, and it was very nice interacting with him. And he is the one who is taking a special care into the creativity and minute attention to the details in the advertisement company. It was really nice to interact with him, and after knowing his ambition of doing something in the field of education was really very attractive for me, because I also belong to the education family. So it was really nice to interact with him. Then after that, my online one-to-one was with Miss Iman Al Houri, and she is from Vienna United. And I must thank Mr. Sanal, who has allowed me to take this online one-to-one in his office. And comfortably, I sat there and I connected with her, and I came to know about her ambitions, about her business. And her business is like Smappy Infinity. They have introduced the next revolution in a smart energy technology, where we can save the energy, and they have lots of products, and they also offer some referrals to the people, those who are helping them in recommending their products. And it was really nice to see that the young girl has lots of ambition to travel around the world, and she's very keen to learn new things, new ways, and it was really an interactive and interesting one-to-one. Then I met our executive director, North Dubai, Mr. Amit Vardhan, and it was really very, very effective. An hour that I have spent in his company, it was really, I must say that it was better than reading thousands of books. The tips, the clues, the ideas, the suggestions he has given, it was it was very beneficial for me. And it is said that a mentor is someone who allows you to see the hope inside yourself. It's said by Oprah Winfrey, and really I found a hope in myself after meeting him. And my dear friends, spending time in the company of a learned person is more valuable than reading thousand books. So let's try to spend more and more time in the company of learned people and try to learn more business tips to grow more, to do more. Thank you very much for watching. And now I'm signing off, Dr. Halima Sadia from BNI Galaxy and representing EduFam Training Services. Thanks for watching.